With a two-sided, two-sample t-test, the alternative hypothesis is that one population mean is not equal to the other population mean. In many situations, however, you might be more interested in one particular direction of the inequality. Say that the mean of the first population is greater than the mean of the second population. For instance, if you work for a drug company, you might only want to test for positive differences between your new drug and placebo, and not the negative differences. You can use one-sided tests to determine this. With one-sided tests, you look for a difference in one direction. So the null hypothesis could be that the mean of population 1 is less than or equal to the mean of population 2. Or that the mean of population 1 is greater than or equal to the mean of population 2. Remember that the null hypothesis is usually one of equality, so it's actually easier to determine the alternative hypothesis first because the alternative is what you want to test. If you are testing to see if the mean of population 1 is less than the mean of population 2, you use the less than sign. The direction of the sign in the alternative hypothesis is the same as the direction you are testing, so you perform a lower-tailed test. The critical region is on the lower side. An advantage of a one-sided test is that it can increase the power of a statistical test, meaning that if you are right about the direction of the true difference, you will more likely detect a significant difference with a one-sided test than with a two-sided test. Here's a question. What is power? Power is the probability that your test will reject the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is false, or the probability that you will detect a difference when a difference actually exists.